Hi, good morning, Con here. It's nice to see you. I've got a couple of other packages that I wanted to unbox for you because that's right, I don't know what they are. So let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, I am an Australian teacher. Currently, I am working in a correctional centre teaching adult males foundation skills certificate 1 and 2. So it's very different to teaching in a high school. Perforated edge. Oh my goodness. It is the first graphic novel that I was supposed to have read, but I haven't because this little baby didn't arrive in time. Anyway, it's, if you don't know what it's about, it's a memoir. I think I've read it, but through the eyes of Art Spiegelman, whose father survived the concentration camps in Germany during World War II. And it's a memoir of his dad's life and how his father's trauma affected him, and yeah, so that's this is his dad, and it's an allegorical novel, but it's all in black and white and takes you through his father's journey. So I actually thought it might be a way to engage my guys with the topic of World War II this term, but it's like, look at it. I don't know. I'll read it and see how I go. So that is the first item to be unpacked, but the next one is, okay, this is my next package, and look at that. Look at that. What's this? Oh. Thank you, Con. Your order has made my day. I hope it brightened yours. Love, Rachel. Is it Rachel? Michelle? And Browne and Blue. This is my first lanyard from Browne and Blue. So look at this packaging. I can't actually remember what I ordered. Skittles. Oh, it's come out slightly. Oh, I ordered 3. There's another card. And it says, Browne and Blue, thank you for your support. Please enjoy 10% off your next Browne and Blue goodies. Use, and there's like, I don't know how to do this. There. That's so cute. They were wrapped in this pretty pink tissue, but they've fallen out into the bag. And here they are. A bit tangled. Look. How pretty is that? I got it because I teach in the orange class, and they're actually an ombre. Probably see it better here. Yep. And then this really cute sweetheart kind of Valentine's Day one, which of course is not Valentine's Day, but they're so cute. I love them. Thank you, Browne and Blue. I wish I could remember what their actual names were. But 1, 2, 3. These really cute gift cardy things. My Snickers. And you can see the detail in these now. How cute. And also the card, which I'm pretty happy with. where my little gift is. And there we go. Really, really like it. Look at that detail. That's a Christmas one, that's right. This is a sunshine one. Beautiful colours. And I love blue. Navy blue is one of my favourite colours, and I just sort of grab those. I will link her website or her Insta account down below. That's just a bit of fun for you and me. Con out.